In previous lecture we have seen how we can select the face of an object, how we can pick edge of an object, but how we can view the working view in different perspectives. We will see in this lecture. We can see it on a top, bottom, front view and back view of working plane and any working geometry. And after that we can see how we can animate it. By animation we can observe the whole project. First, draw some objects. Now go to a view tab and here is select view option. By these commands you can select the view of your working plane in any perspective. In this currently is front view, but if you want to view the back view of working plane, just click on that. You will see this is a back view. We can do this by rotation command, but there is a chance of mistake, but this is more accurate way to view the working plane. In front you can see that from left side, similarly from right side, from top, similarly we can see from top and from bottom. If we want to give the names to different views, first view, second front view, top view, for saving your project, when you have designed the all complete project, you can save it with the different views with a name. Similarly you can manage the view setting also here. We will see when we do the projects. The second one is how we can animate it. We can animate it by using a command from here. If we want to animate it left, just click on the position of animating, and you can also select the angle. First you have to select the way of animation, direction, right, and second step, animate the view. It will start. When you want to end where you want to end, just uncheck this. Similarly you can animate it from top to bottom or bottom to top. Similarly you can animate it in clockwise and anti-clockwise, in circular. You can all use these options. Even you can use the angle of animation. You can see you can see that by this setup, the speed in each click, the speed will be adjusted. The rotation angle increment, it will start for 1 degree, in second moments for second degree, third degree, 4 degree. In this way it's animate. And if you increase the speed of animation, you can increase the angle of rotation. Here for just 2 degree in each step. In next lecture we will see how we give the dimension, how we can give the dimension to the object that we have designed.